huge Christmas unboxing. Today we are looking at each and every release from the New Zealand Mint. Of course, just these special book Christmas tree decoration releases. This year they have added Marvel to the mix. This is the Season's Greeting coin with the Marvel theme. Santa's Super Helpers is such just a fun slogan for this piece. Here, for those Harry Potter fans, you will not be disappointed. Christmas deco piece. This slogan is also fun. I'd rather be at Hogwarts this Christmas. Next up, Star Wars fans, you have not been forgotten, particularly those fans of The Mandalorian. Baby Yoda there. Yes, I know technically it's not Baby Yoda, but come on. Let's have a little bit of fun. It is so cute. The best things come in small packages, and that is just so sweet. Last but not least, just be merry. Let's get a little bit festive, folks. It is the Disney Season's Greetings coin. And of course, this is also a 1 ounce silver piece. Endless joy. They are all available here on our website. That's www.emk.com.